I followed Miles' game plan and I completed my CMA within 5 months, and I'm so proud of it. I took the exam. I saw Varun sir's recorded sessions. I did my reading. Then I just did my questions. I cleared because of Varun sir's classes, I must say. He's a lifesaver. My name is Sandra Silvestor and I'm coming from Ernakulam, Kochi. Doing the questions was like a game for me. Okay, I was like, if it is wrong, no problem, you can do it again, but you have to do it quickly and as per the time. And what is required, you revise. What you don't get, you revise it, then you will be okay with that. When I got my results, I was in a phone call with my sister. So I was shouting like, "Chichi, na pasai!" Means I have cleared the exams. I don't know what to do. I am crying. I'm like laughing. I don't know what to say. It was a huge happiness for me. It was so overwhelming. I was on the cloud nine. I'm so happy with mine. I'm really happy with mine. I must say it. I'm not exaggerating, but I am very happy with Varun sir, with the faculty and everyone. CMA, matlab miles.